Good morning, Hampton Middle School. For the first part of today's ELT, you're sketching a graph. So whenever we sketch graphs, the first thing we always have to do is make sure our equation is in slope-intercept form. This equation is not in slope-intercept form because slope-intercept form looks like y equals mx plus b. We can see that the y is not on the left side by itself. So x plus y equals -2. I have one positive x here on the left side of the equation. I want to move it over here, so I'm going to subtract x from both sides. This becomes 0, and I'm left with y equals -x minus 2. Now I have slope-intercept form. I'm going to go ahead and identify my slope and y-intercept. My slope is -1 over 1, and my y-intercept is -2. My y-intercept is where I begin. So I'm going to go to -2 and make a point there. And then it's a negative slope, so I know the line's going to look like this. And it's rising 1, running 1, rising 1, running 1, rising 1, running 1, etc. Okay, so your line should look like this. For this one, same thing. This graph is not in slope-intercept form. So the first thing I have to do here is subtract 2x from both sides. And I'm left with 5y equals -2x minus 10. Now I have to divide by 5 to isolate my y. So I'm left with, this becomes a 1, y equals -2 divided by 5 is just -2 fifths x. -10 divided by 5 is -2. Now I have slope-intercept form. So I'm going to start at -2. And then my slope is still negative, so it's going to be decreasing. And I'm going up 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because my slope is rising 2, running 5. I could also do it, go this way, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and that's the graph. For this part, you're being asked to make equations in slope-intercept form. So for 31 and 30, you're going to start with the equation y equals mx plus b. I know my y-intercept is at +2.